Hey everyone! Today we're reviewing Excire Foto 2026. It's an AI-powered photo manager that organizes your entire library automatically. No manual tagging required, but is it the ultimate Lightroom alternative? Let's find out. 1. The initial scry. Once you install Excire, you point it at your photo folders. The AI then scries your images. It doesn't just look at metadata, it analyzes the actual pixels. It recognizes over 2,500 categories from mountain and beach to specific animals or even dark and bright mode. The best part is, this happens 100% locally on your machine. That means your privacy stays intact. 2. Advanced AI search features. The search power here is incredible. You can search by example. So you can drop one good photo in, and Excire will find every other photo in your 100K library that looks like it. Next, search by sketch. So you can actually draw a rough shape, like a sun in a corner, and the AI finds photo with that composition. And next, there's also aesthetic search. In 2026, the AI can now rank your photos by beauty or technical quality, helping you find your best shots in seconds. 3. Face and person recognition. X-Ray's X tools are a lifesaver for portrait and wedding photographers. The AI automatically detects faces and groups them by person. You can filter by number of people, age, or even smiles. It's significantly faster than Lightroom's facial recognition and much more accurate at identifying the same person across different years. 4. Integration and performance. Performance-wise, it's snappy. It handles raw files from every major brand with ease. While it's a standalone manager, it works perfectly alongside other editors. You can find your photo in Excire and instantly send to Photoshop, Luminaire, or Capture One for the final edit. And that's basically it. If you are tired of wasting hours scrolling for that one specific shot, Excire Foto is a must-have. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.